Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can cancel or edit a scheduled payment on Capital One. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature. And once on your Capital One, you will of course have to sign in and just put your username, your password, and then proceed to signing in. And then there you will see that payments and transfer section. So just go ahead and click that and select schedule payments. And what you will do is you will choose the payment that you would want to edit or cancel. And then to cancel, you will just have to tap cancel payment and then confirm. To edit, you will just have to tap edit payment and then you will adjust the amount or date and then you will tap save. Then you will see a confirmation message once the changes are saved. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.